Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, chicken gnocchi soup. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The stock just being finished up. And here's a good look at the fresh chicken stock. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Sauteing a little bit of onion and zucchini, and then I add the garlic and continue to saute. I add the mixed vegetables and saute. I add the chicken and saute. Add the herbs and spices. I add the fresh stock. Then I add the gnocchi. Here it is, just finished up. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.